TCL TV light blinking won't turn on. If your screen is not working on your TCL TV and you can see the power light blinking, it can be a frustrating experience. The light keeps flashing but the screen isn't turning on. The good news is that you aren't alone, as many people report issues with their TV and the light blinking. In this video, we will go through what to do if your TCL TV won't turn on. 1. Press the reset button. Sometimes your TV might get stuck at the standby screen, with lights blinking. In these cases, all you need is to find the small reset button on the back of your TV, and use a paperclip or pen to press and hold it for 10 seconds. This will reset the TV. Please note that you may have to do it 3 to 4 times before it works. The reset button may take multiple attempts to work, but don't give up. Eventually, it should fix your TCL TV. 2. Power cycle TCL TV. Power cycling your TCL TV is a step first and foremost. A power cycle or reset will help solve many of the most common issues faced by TCL TV owners. To complete a power cycle, follow these steps. If you want to restart your TCL TV, unplug it from the wall for at least 30 seconds, that gives it enough time to drain any residual power. Once the time has passed, press and hold the power button for 10 seconds. After this, plug your TV back in and turn it on again. 3. Check network connection. You can check whether your TV is connected to the internet by pressing home on your remote control > settings > network > wireless > and check if you have connected to the internet. If you still don't see a wireless network with a good signal, your TV will begin scanning for available wireless networks, which you can then select. 4. Check remote batteries. If your TV light is blinking, it's time to change the batteries in your remote. You probably have a remote with a dead battery, and chances are you have another extra. Replace the batteries in your remote and presto, your TV will work again. Fortunately, one of the easiest and most common problems is often solved by replacing the batteries in your remote. Simply remove the old batteries and replace them with fresh ones for a remote that works as intended. This should solve the problem and allow you to turn off your TV as needed. 5. Backlight problem. The backlight is one of the most fundamental components of your TCL TV, and when it goes out, your monitor goes dark. Backlighting the screen is essential for the display to be visible to you. If the backlight flickers or fails, you'll get a blinking light and no image on your screen. Backlight issues can be a real pain to fix. First, you'll have to remove the back cover of the TV, which should be easy enough. Then you'll need to locate and identify the bad LED using a multimeter or a visual aid. It might take some time to find it. After that, you can swap out the LED and put your TV back together. Please like this video. Don't forget to subscribe.
Price. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Share this video and don't forget to hit the like button.